To install the Measure software on a computer, insert the USB that is included with your hearing assessment and fitting unit. Find the software file in it in the file structure on the screen and double-click. If not pre-selected, choose what language you'd like to use from the drop-down menu. Follow the prompts on the screen to complete the installation process. In this video, you'll learn the first steps necessary to utilize your Measure software. To open the standalone Measure software on your desktop, click the Auditdata Measure icon. You will be prompted to select a user settings profile. If you have not yet created profiles, click Create New Profile. Type in the new profile name, then click OK. You can create profiles for different clinicians, different clinic locations, or simply have one master profile to ensure consistent patient care. The Measure application opens to the overview screen. If you open the Measure software outside of the Know platform, you will also see a pop-up prompting you to select a client. To open the Measure software under Know, open the Know software and select the Measure icon at the top of your screen. If you do not have a patient already selected, you will be prompted to select an existing patient or enter a new patient. On the overview screen, you'll find the menus in the upper left corner. Help provides a content-specific help file and the user manual where all detailed functionality is described. Also in the Help menu is the location where license information can be entered. Before using the Measure system, it is essential to input the license into the software. This is done by clicking the menu item Help, then License Information, and then entering your license code. The license number you will input here is delivered to you with the physical unit. To activate the license, the system needs to be restarted.